So you ready to go hiking? Yeah. Now let's go find the trail. It's American creature. Look at that. Look at that. Hey, how are you? Then we have the red-tailed hawk. What do you call these guys in Jamaica? What do you call those, the vultures in Jamaica?
John Crow.
A John Crow?
Yeah.
Hey, Mr. John Crow. How are you? Caw-caw! A barn owl.
He's so pretty.
Sitting in the back there?
Oh, because they sleep at night, right?
Yep.
Barred owl.
A barred owl. Look at that guy. Woohoo! Hang on. A great horned owl. Looks like Sharika when she does her hair. Look at this state. A bald eagle.
Oh, I didn't know they could put them in captivity.
Is it a bald eagle?
No, I didn't know they could put them in captivity.
Yeah. What's that one?
Golden eagle.
Golden eagle. We found the trail.
It's so pretty.
Oh yeah. Just walking on the trail. Oh yeah. Sharika walking on the trail. Oh yeah. Look at that spider web. I almost got my head taken off by it. Ugh.
Horsetail.
Horsetail?
Yeah.
Oh cool. Look. Horsetail. Oh. Walking backwards on the trail. Animal tracks. Herring, possum, raccoon, muskrat, and deer. It's actually a really cool little trail. Come out on the water. Oh yeah. I thought this trail was supposed to be like 5 miles or something.
I told you.
Don't shake the boat.
Stop it.
Don't shake the boat. Don't shake the boat. Oh. Don't worry, follow me. I'll lead the way. I don't know where we're going. Help! We're lost. Ooh.
Guess these antlers.
Okay, can you guess?
Oh, these mammals, these large mammals.
Yep.
What do you think these are? What do you think this antler is?
I think that one is either a mule deer or a white-tailed deer.
What do you think this is?
That's the same. Because we only have 2 deers.
What do you think this is?
That's definitely a buffalo.
What do you think?
I have no idea what that thing is.
And the answer's here. If you guess mule or white-tailed deer.
Oh, I got one right.
The answer.
I got 2 right. Let's see, what's this one?
The answer.
Oh, bison. Got it.
The answer.
And I have no idea what a pronghorn is.
So, for those of you who don't know, pronghorn are the only animals in the world that have forked horns that shed. These horns have the qualities of both antlers and horns. They shed only the outer sheath of their horn each year, but the bony core remains. Both male and female pronghorn can have horns. Look for pronghorn in western Kansas. Woohoo!
Pretty cool spot because look, you got bees. The vitals of the bees.
If you didn't think you were going to learn something today, you are. These are all the facts about bees. And
okay.
More facts about bees.
And look, oh, birds. So we got birds.
Behind us.
Birds in the bees.
Birds in the bees. Birds in the... Dun dun. And now we're taking you to Milford Lake.
What the heck is this? I don't know how she's got this much energy. Only clean as the last person touched it.
Ooh, we're going to dig the dinosaur bones. Look at that. Is that a bone?
It says some fossil dig right here. What does it say?
Oh, T-Rex? That's probably the T-Rex tooth, right?
Yeah, T-Rex tooth. Okay, all kinds of weird stuff. He's been eating the tree
It was me. The beaver. Oh wow, it took that one down.
Yeah.
We literally went
Oh,
in a
big
loop.
blue stem, which is that grass you see right there.
We literally went into one.
Oh, scare number 2. Tunnel of trees.
Tunnel of love.
Of love. Oh, there's a trail going the other way too. Wow, there's all
We've
kinds.
reached the fork in the road.
Which way do we go? Left or right?
Always go right, because I'm always right.
Oh wow, we're going left, guys.
Wow.
Look, there's one right there. And there's one down there. All tiny ski trails. Big old toad. I have caught this before.
I've never seen that.
Yeah, look, that's long. He's all the way over there. Mud puppy. Salamander. So this one is a what? A gopher snake. It's pretty good size. Bigger than a red garter snake. Oh, there he is. He's just hanging out. Western hognose. Oh, there he is. He's kind of hiding his little deal.
From Africa.
They live in Kansas, though?
No, they don't live in Canada. They brought them from Africa.
There's some underneath the little bed in there.
They said they eat anything. It told them it's blue.
Wow, he's super shiny. Looks like a dragon.
It's because they have eyes.
Look at that.
That's pretty cool.
That whole thing's a bug.
Yeah, that would blend in.
There are all kinds of walking sticks in there. Like all those guys on the side are not sticks, they're bugs. Oh, you can see this. Oh, you can't see it that side. Oh, there. Look at that guy. I don't know if you guys can see him, but he's like right there. Garden. You guys see any of the butterflies here? Oh yeah, look at this big guy. A monarch. Oh, there's no. Some more. This place is pretty cool. Oh, wow, look at that big guy. I wonder if he'll let me hold him. Yep. Hey, look, the prettiest butterfly of them all. Ah. So we went hiking at Milford Lake today. It was a lot of fun, but I think Shrika had too much fun, and now she's sleeping. If any of you guys want to go check out the fishing hatchery there, it's pretty cool. There's all the sweet animals to go check out. It's all free, and I hope you guys have a great day. Peace.